Boy, this is some crazy stuff, man. I mean, it is pouring down raining, like nice and sunny. Now it's raining all over the place. It's gonna be hard for me to do these parts, but I'm gonna try to get them in. At least the cap. All right, crew. Hey, well, I'm trying to prep everything, get everything ready because I'm about to put etching primer. About 2 days ago, I actually had everything you guys saw dustless blasted, and my nephew came over here and we actually blasted everything. So now I'm just trying to get everything in etching primer. Of course, hey, we're here in Bristol, Virginia, man. This daggone weather, you know, it was nice and sunny out here, about 80 something degrees. And now, as you can see, it's clouds back there. So you can see the clouds back up there. So I'm just trying to go ahead, guys, and get a a good coat of etching primer on this thing. So some of the parts are gonna be sitting for a little while. I really want to get that cab good, good and ready to go. I already ordered the patch panels for the cab corners and rocker panels, stuff like that. And also my brackets was pretty ate up, so I'm gonna have to replace all that, and also the floor. So hey, I just want to bring you guys along this evening with me so we can throw this primer down. I'm gonna set the camera up inside. Hopefully I won't mess my camera up and stuff, but I have a couple of cameras rolling at the same time. So you guys come along with me and let's get to it. Let's go to work. Boy, this is some crazy stuff, man. I mean, it is pouring down raining, like nice and sunny. Now it's raining all over the place. It's gonna be hard for me to do these parts, but I'm gonna try to get them in. At least the cap. Alright guys, so I basically ran out of etching primer, and I am going to have to go and run and get some more. I just got a few more pieces to do. And one thing about etching primer is that you don't have to lay it on thick or anything. As long as you just get the paint on the metal, it'll stop it from rusting. So I'm not sure how much longer I will have this sitting bare metal, but I just really wanted to get it some etching primer on it. So I basically, the main thing was I wanted to get the cap. So as you see, the cap is in the etching primer, and that's really the only thing I care about. All this stuff here will be cut out and replaced. I got clean metal to work with. As you see, the dash is awesome and stuff. Around the window sills are good. I got a little bit of welding I have to do around that window sill. But other than that, everything is good, guys. All this, to whoever had it before, did some kind of fake hole there. I'm gonna have to repatch all that there. And like I said, I did order my patch panels for my panels, and I only went down halfway because I know all this here is going to be cut out. This whole section is going to be cut out and replaced. Like I said, the cap corners down there, I only did half because there's no need for me to waste primer. All that'll be replaced. All of this will be replaced here with new metal. So I got basically these two fenders, inner fender here, inner fender there. So basically that's the only thing I'm gonna get done for right now. I'll turn you guys back on once I go and get this the rest of this etching primer, and I'll come back and we'll get finished up, guys. You know, cap off this evening showing you the parts that I actually put in etching primer. They turned out really good, and I'm gonna also show you the reason why I try to get things either dustless, sandblasted, or sandblasted. Is because you can tell the good metal from the bad metal, basically. But anyway, this is the inner fenders there. They turned out really good, really well. And like I said, now I can do all my roughing and my body work and stuff. And you guys saw that these fenders, and you see like the hose up where I have to fix, and all this here, I'll replace all that there. But you see those fenders, inner fenders, they look like crap whenever I got, you know, when I first got them. But now you can see what you're really working with, okay? So I mean, the metal is not all that bad and stuff, and it looks just a whole lot better to work with. You know, I don't know, maybe it's just a mind thing with me. Now check the hood out though. Now see the hood? Now I see over here where, I don't know if you guys can see that, but you see that's why I knocked that dent off, and I would get that a little better, but I did knock it out a little bit more before I started on it. But now look at the hood. You guys saw the before and stuff, and now this right here is so workable. You see how smooth? I got all of that like flakes off of it that was like rusty flakes and stuff, and you can see on the inside. Same thing on the inside. See, same thing on the inside. You can see what I have to replace. Very obvious and stuff. But this was a good hood. That's why I was telling you guys. Look how smooth all that rusty flake stuff is going off of that hood now. Now I can see what I'm actually working with. And like I said, maybe it's a mind thing, but it is just, to me, it just motivates me a lot better. And you can also see how bad it is as well, though. You can see, look at the wrinkles in that there. That was where it was all bondoed at and stuff. And I actually had that sandblaster, or that dustless blasting, actually knocked out all that crap that was in it. So, and just like my hood and my cab and stuff, now I can see all my lows and stuff and highs. Just like before I couldn't see, it's like a little dent, indentation right there. And like I said, all this here, I'll replace. Like I got my patch panels ordered for all this here, and all this will be replaced. All that'll be replaced right there. And I only put primer what I needed. All this here is going to be cut out on both sides, and now you can see. Look at the dents. See all this stuff right there. These holes, I mean indentions. That stuff was filled with that Bondo crap, whatever they had in there. Now I can try to knock out as much as I can, and then I glaze the whole cab, everything. So now I can see what I'm working with, all this stuff here. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys today what we're doing. We got a lot of stuff done. And every day or every other day, we're going to knock out little by little by little, and I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride with me. So I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me and stuff today, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And like I always tell people, if you got a fast car or a fast truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.